Okay, we got some exciting news from FlexQube this morning. We got our first FlexQube Navigator AMR order from Mexico, and it's also our largest order in North America to date. Tell us about it, Mårten.
Yes, indeed, Anders. It's definitely exciting. We've been working with the customer for a number of weeks and months, actually, and we finally got the order yesterday. So it's an order for a global manufacturer of commercial vehicles. The order value is around $500,000 US, and it's for the AMR system with a towing load carrier.
And what's really exciting about the towing load carrier for us is that it's a new load carrier that works with the exactly same robot that we have for the flatbeds or any other load carriers we already have. We also won this order in fierce competition with many global brands out there, much larger than FlexQube,
Yes,
of course.
exactly.
And we see this as a potential of many projects to come with this major customer as well.
And I mean, the customer, one of the major reasons for choosing the system is the flexibility, as you said, Anders. So they start off with this towing application, and but they're also interested in obviously the other alternatives, which is the flatbed load carrier or an active load carrier. So we look forward to the future of this collaboration.
Yes. And we see a growing pipeline in North America, especially within manufacturing, where we definitely have a competitive advantage with this setup with the Navigator. We actually have 6 patents for the system and
Yes.
19 more pending. So
Yes.
it's a truly unique system in the market.